Something strange happens to time after a certain age. When you are young, life feels incredibly slow. School years feel horribly long. Summers feel endless. And the future feels like something that will always be waiting for you. But then, somewhere later in life, often around your 40s, although I'm almost 50, something begins to change. The years don't feel the same anymore. They seem to move faster, almost as if life quietly shifted its speed without letting you know. You start noticing it in small ways. A year passes and it feels like only a few months. Your children suddenly look older than they did yesterday, and that's the truth. Your parents begin to slow down. The friends you used to see all the time now appear only occasionally. Nothing dramatic has happened. Life simply kept moving while you were busy living it. And the strange thing is that most of us don't notice the shift when it begins. We are busy building careers, raising families, solving problems, and obviously planning for our futures. Our attention is focused forward. We believe life is something that will unfold later when things calm down, when we have more time, when the right moment arrives. But one day you pause and you realize something unexpected. The life you thought was coming later has already been happening. You've been living it. The ordinary days you barely noticed were actually the moments shaping your current existence. Conversations at the dinner table, quiet evenings with people that you really love, and the small experiences that felt unremarkable at the time but slowly became memories. And that realization carries a simple insight. Life does not suddenly accelerate after 40. What changes is our awareness of time. When we are young, the future feels endless. Later in life, we begin to understand that time is not something we possess, it is something we are moving through every single day. And this is where emotional gratitude trumps cognitive gratitude. Emotional gratitude forces you to slow down enough to emotionally feel the moment you're currently living in. Not just think about it, and not just thinking about gratitude, but actually experiencing it emotionally. You are emotionally connected to the people, the conversation, and the small pieces of life that are happening right now. That is one of the reasons I created the Book of Your Life. It's a framework designed to help people pause for a few minutes each day and notice with emotion the moments that are quietly shaping their lives. Because awareness changes how we experience time. When we notice life more deeply and with emotion, it begins to feel fuller and slower at the same time. The honest truth about time is this: life does not really move faster as we grow older. We simply begin to realize how quickly it has always been moving, and that realization quietly changes the way we look at the days still ahead of us.